Want to boost conversions and engage your visitors? Hashbar makes it easy with powerful notification bars. Let's explore what makes Hashbar special. Skip the design process and get a head start with our ready-to-go template library. Simply choose a professional layout and transform it into your perfect notification bar in seconds. You'll find a great collection of free designs, plus pro templates with stunning gradient backgrounds, giving you a polished, high-converting look without any extra effort. The content section lets you drive action by easily enabling a call to action button. To add more messages, use the Add Another Message feature to show multiple announcements in one bar, keeping your site clean and your visitors updated. Get your message in front of the right audience with precision targeting. You can choose exactly which pages or posts display your bar and select specific devices like desktop or mobile to reach visitors where they are. Take it further with geographic targeting to hit specific countries, or use customer segmentation and behavioral targeting to show your message based on visitor actions, ensuring your notification hits the right person at the right time. Create urgency with powerful countdown timers. Hashbar offers 3 countdown types for every use case. Fixed countdown is perfect for flash sales and limited time offers. Set your end date and watch the timer count down. Recurring countdown resets automatically on your chosen days. Great for daily deals and weekly promotions. And the evergreen countdown creates personalized urgency. Each visitor gets their own timer starting fresh. This creates a powerful FOMO effect. Distribute coupon codes effortlessly with built-in copy functionality. Your visitors can copy the code with one click. Perfect for promoting discounts, free shipping codes, or special offers. Automate your campaigns with advanced scheduling. Enable a recurring schedule to show your bar on specific days, or use time targeting to display messages during peak hours, ensuring your promotions go live and expire exactly when you need. Create stunning gradient backgrounds with 4 preset directions, or upload custom background images for perfect brand matching. For those who want extra creative freedom, you can use custom CSS to personalize your notification bar even further, giving you total control over every design detail. Ready to boost your conversions? Download Hashbar free from WordPress.org or upgrade to Pro for advanced features like gradients, evergreen countdowns, and scheduling. Start building smarter notification bars today and watch your engagement grow. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.